Hi there, this is Susie, otherwise known as Susie Q Scraps, and today I'm going to show you how you can use the Red Eye tool in Photoshop Elements. I'm using version 9, but this should work in other versions of Elements as well as in Photoshop CS versions. So I've already opened my picture, and I'm going to go ahead and zoom in by hitting Control plus on my keyboard. Oops. Grabbed the wrong tool. Using my hand tool to bring my picture down, you can see that his eyes are red. We might zoom in just a little bit more. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the Red Eye tool here. And the default up here is 50% pupil size and darken amount 50%. And that usually works pretty well. So you just click right on the photo in the red, and you'll see that it went from red to black. If you click over here on the other part, it'll do the same. So that's pretty much how you use the Red Eye tool. If you click on it and it doesn't quite work right, you can try adjusting the pupil size and the darken amount until you get what you're looking for. That's how to use the Red Eye tool in Photoshop Elements. If you have any questions for me, you can email me, susieqscraps@gmail.com, or visit my website, susieqscraps.com. Thanks.